Broil King is a North American grill manufacturer headquartered in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. We've been in the business of manufacturing top-quality, performance-driven gas grills since 1984. Our goal right from the beginning has been to build a better grill that delivers great barbecue flavor. Broil King's manufacturing history is quite long. Our parent company, Onward Manufacturing, has been producing quality North American goods since 1906. We're a family-owned business with more than 3 generations of experience in uncompromising quality. We believe that heavier, thicker, versatile, and different are all key design features in every grill. From our largest built-in island grill to our smallest portable grill, we never cut corners or compromise on quality. We're a passionate grilling family backed by a large North American workforce, manufacturing in both the USA and Canada. Our in-house team provides the best-in-class design, fabrication, assembly, dealer and customer support, parts support, marketing, distribution, and much more. Our strategic channel management allows us to build meaningful relationships with the right kind of grilling destinations. Your success is our success, and our efforts aim to support that belief. To our partners, we deliver the best-in-class grills, training, support, and the best in-store experience with our Broil King Town display program. We are dedicated to the grilling category with the largest assortment of grill accessories and professional built-in, full-size gas, portable, pellet, and charcoal grills for any flavor-seeking griller. If you're passionate about grilling, we are confident that Broil King will be the perfect fit for your store. We invite you to learn more about partnering with Broil King and see how we make great barbecues every time.